Good morning, Roman Vienna class, and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. So we're going to start off today by doing a warm-up, and we're going to practice counting forwards to 20. We're going to start off by starting at 0. So are we all ready? You can count along with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And stopping there. So now if I say, can you count forwards to 20 from 0, I'd like you to pause the video and practice counting up to 20 on your own. So pause the video now. Well done to everybody who did that. Now, can you try starting on a different number and carry on counting up to 20? So if I said, let's start on 5, can you keep counting from the number 5 up to 20? We'll do this one together. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. And then the next one, can you try this one on your own this time? Can you start on the number 8 and count all the way up to 20? So pause the video and start on the number 8. Well done if you managed that one. This time, can you start on the number 17 and count up to 20? So pause the video. And this time, can you start on the number 3 and count from 3 up to 20? So pause the video. And the final one, can you start on the number 11 and count up to 20? So pause the video. So well done to everybody who managed to join in with those. So let's see what you are going to be learning for your main maths lesson today. So today, we are learning to solve simple word problems. Now, these are going to be using all the skills that you've had this week with adding and subtracting. And today, you're going to be focusing on addition word problems. So, let's have a look at this one together. There are 5 red pens in the pot and 3 green pens. How many pens are there altogether? Now, don't worry if you're finding the reading a little bit tricky because our problems do have some pictures at the bottom. So we've got 5 red pens, add 3 green pens equals our mystery number here. So 5 add 3 equals. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So well done if you could see that there were 8 pens all together. Now remember this symbol, this add symbol in the middle, it means that we are working out all of them together. So I don't want to hear people just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 5, 3 because it's not. It's 8 all together. Now, as a little bit of a challenge, I've also suggested that you could try writing this as a number sentence. So we've got 5 here and we've got 3 here. Now we're adding them, so we need the add sign in between. So 5 add 3 equals 8. And we're going to check Miss Mole's answer at the bottom to see if it matches. So well done if you got that correct. 5 add 3 equals 8. So let's have a look at the next problem. So this time, make sure that you've got a pen or a pencil and some paper or a whiteboard if you're lucky enough to have one. So quickly pause the video and go and find something to use to do your workings out. Right, question number 2. There are 6 yellow cars in the car park. Then 4 blue cars arrive. How many cars are there now? So we've got 6 here, add another 4 equals a mystery number. So remember, we are working out all of them together. We want to know the total number of cars, how many they all add up to and how many are in the car park. So let's add them up. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see who can keep counting on to tell me the answer. So pause the video and work out the answer for yourself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So well done if you worked out that the answer was 10. Now, remember my challenge was to write it as a number sentence. So can you write the addition, the adding number sentence to show me what we have just worked out? So pause the video so you have a chance to write it down. Okay, I'm going to reveal the answer and we'll see who got it right. So 6 yellow cars add 4 blue cars equals 10. 6 add 4 equals 10. So well done if you got that one correct. Right, here's another one for you to have a go at. Miss Mole had 9 sweets in her jar and 5 lollipops. So here are my 9 sweets and here are my 5 lollipops. How many treats did she have all together? Now remember, this all together word means that you are working out how many all of these sweets add up together. So it's the sweets and the lollipops. So pause your video now and you can have a chance to work out the answer. Right, I'm going to have a go. Now, I don't need to count these because I know that there's already 9 here. So I'm going to hold that number in my head and carry on counting. So I've got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I've got 14 sweets. Now remember, that's a teens number. So we can write that one. It begins with a 1 because there's 1 10 and there's 4 ones. The answer is 14. Now I'd like to see everybody have a go at the challenge and write the number sentence. So 9 sweets and 5 lollipops. How would we write it as an adding number sentence? Pause your video so you can have a chance at writing down the addition number sentence. Okay, it's time to see who got the answer right with the addition number sentence. I'm going to reveal it. Are we all ready? So well done if you correctly wrote down the adding number sentence. 9 add 5 equals 14. Now there is one other way that you could have done that. You could have switched it around and you could have told me that it was in fact 5 add 9. We can do adding in either order. So your number sentence could have been 5 add 9 equals 14. And it's up to you which way round you wrote it. You could even challenge yourself even further and try and write the number sentence both ways round. Right, today, what is in our wolf? What am I looking for in your maths work? I would love to see that you can add 1-digit numbers. I'd love to see that you can solve the word problems. And remember that challenge, I can write the addition number sentence for each question. I'd love to see those addition number sentences. Right, here's an example of what you will have to do today. So it says, read these simple addition word problems and work out the answers. Use the pictures to help you to understand the problem and to work out the answers. And challenge, write the adding number sentence for each of the questions. So here's your first question. Looks just like mine did on the screen a minute ago. We've got our question in words, our question in pictures, and a space to put your answer. You could write your number sentence up here. So this one I'll read out for you. There are 5 cars in the car park. 4 more cars park in the car park. How many cars are there altogether? So there are 5 blue ones and then another 4 arrive. How many are there altogether? So you can write your answer there and then write your addition number sentence at the top. Or if you're not able to print these at home, there you could write it on a piece of paper at home instead. So good luck with answering all these addition number sentences, and I can't wait to see all of your work.